This is bread vending machine. This is for fresh juice. Okay. And this is for snacks. All the way. All the way. That's for snacks. You guy. That's for snacks. So I'm going to show you how it works, okay? Let's see. So I'm going to buy 19. The snacks at 19. That's €1. So I put it here. And we wait till it dispense itself. Wait, Mama. Connie, what's happening? It's not releasing. I'm waiting for that snack number 19. Well, there's something I did wrong. Maybe I need to. Guys, I've seen that. Then you open here and pick it. Okay. You can pick change from where my baby is picking. There's no change, Ivana. We used €1 for this, so there's no change.
Chocolate con leche. Ese chocolate con leche. Con leche por tarjeta muy barato. Con tarjeta. Ok. Sí. No, da.
¿Quieres, no?
Tarjeta.
What does this work?
Yo no tomo, pero bueno.
Joder, macho.
Kuja. Oh.
Tienes que recoger el...
Shani kuchole. Oh. Sawa. Kuja. Okay, this. So I'm going to buy juice number 15. Okay, that's €1. Then you can see number 15 down here. 15. Okay. No. Really? It was. Pick. Chukwa. Chukwa. You want fresh food? Not really fresh, yeah, cooked food. this is it. That's rice with vegetables. Yeah, if you want cooked food, pick it here for you. This is for drinks, I think coffee. Yeah, hot stuff.